All right, let's talk about putting your content marketing on steroids. Seriously. Today, we're diving into an AI playbook that completely rewires how we think about creating content. If you've ever felt like you're just drowning in the demand for more, well, this one's for you.
You know the feeling, right? It's the content treadmill. It just never, ever stops. There are always new platforms, new video formats, and this constant pressure to just publish. You look around and it feels like everyone else has this bottomless pit of creativity while you're just struggling to figure out what to post next week. It feels unsustainable because it absolutely is.
And that feeling of burnout isn't a personal failure. It's actually a symptom of a much bigger issue. The whole traditional way we've done content, the model we've relied on for years, is just broken. It was built for a much slower world. It's time we ditch the static calendars and start tapping into real-time insight. So, what does this broken model actually look like? Well, on the left, you've got the old calendar-driven way. You plan your content months in advance, you're always reacting to what your competition did, and let's be honest, it's mostly based on gut feelings. But on the right, that's the new insight-driven model. It's proactive. It uses AI to see what's trending right now. It's all about data, not guesswork. The big difference? We're not talking about weeks of lag time anymore. We're talking about jumping on opportunities in a matter of hours. And this table really shows how deep the transformation goes. I mean, look at every single stage. Research goes from these slow quarterly surveys to listening to social media in real time. Ideation isn't just a handful of people in a stuffy meeting room. It's AI spitting out hundreds of data-backed ideas. In production, it stops being this long, painful process and becomes this super fast, iterative loop. This isn't just a little tweak to your workflow. This is a complete operational overhaul. Okay, so how in the world do we actually do this? Well, it all starts with the heart of your new strategy. We have to build something I like to call your brand's voice DNA. Why? Because if you just let AI run wild without any rules, you're going to get the most generic, soulless content imaginable. And nobody wants that. So what is this voice DNA? Think of it as your brand's personality, but written down in a way that an AI can understand. It's a super detailed prompt that captures everything: your specific tone, your writing style, the words you love to use, and maybe even more important, the words and phrases you would never use. This is the secret sauce that makes sure every single thing the AI creates actually sounds like it came from you. And this framework is what pulls it all together. On the left, you see what happens without it. You get that inconsistent, off-brand, kind of weird AI content. But when you push it through your voice DNA framework, you get what's on the right. Content that's authentic, on-brand, and totally consistent. It's a system that captures your tone, learns from what works, and keeps a human in the loop to make it even smarter over time. So what exactly goes into this magical prompt? You have to get specific. I'm talking about things like adjectives for your tone. Are you witty, formal, inspiring? Do you like short, punchy sentences or longer, more descriptive ones? How much humor is okay? What industry jargon is acceptable? You can even define the style of your calls to action. But honestly, the most powerful part? It's feeding it examples of your own copy, the good stuff and the bad stuff, so it can learn directly from your greatest hits and misses. Okay, so we've defined our brand voice. The next huge pillar is understanding our audience on a level that frankly just wasn't possible before. We're moving way beyond simple demographics here. We're talking about developing X-ray vision into what our audience actually needs, what keeps them up at night, and what truly motivates them. And we get this X-ray vision by building an AI listening stack. Its power comes from the raw data you feed it. So forget old school surveys. We're talking about feeding the AI real, unfiltered conversations from places like Reddit threads, Amazon reviews, social media comments, even your own customer support chats. These are the gold mines where people are talking honestly, in their own words, about their real problems. The quality of what you get out of AI completely depends on the quality of what you put in. For instance, a lazy prompt like the before example here, you're just going to get a vague summary. But look at the after prompt. It's like a surgical scalpel. It specifies the exact data source, gives critical business context, and asks for a structured, totally actionable output. This is how you find the signal in all that noise. Now, the end result of all this listening isn't your typical buyer persona. This is a dynamic buyer persona. It's not some static PDF with an age range and a job title that gets outdated in 6 months. No, this is a living, breathing profile that's based on real-time behaviors, on what people actually need, and on the specific events that trigger them to look for a solution like yours. It literally evolves as your audience evolves. So let's just quickly walk through how one of these personas actually gets built. You start over on the left with all that messy, raw customer feedback. The AI then cleans it up, and this is the cool part, it groups it all by need states, not by demographics. From there, it adds in the triggers and objections it found in the data, and voila, you get these incredibly rich, actionable persona profiles on the right. AI is the bridge between a bunch of scattered comments and a real strategic asset. Okay, so we have our unique voice dialed in, and we have a deep, almost psychic understanding of our audience. Now for the really fun part, turning all of that into an endless supply of amazing content ideas. We are about to build an idea engine that takes your team from a mindset of scarcity to one of truly infinite ideation. And this isn't just random brainstorming, it's a system, a pipeline. It's got 4 key stages. First, you feed it all that juicy data from your listening stack. Second, use a library of proven prompts to generate tons of ideas. Third, all those ideas go into a backlog database. And fourth, and this is the most important part, the performance of your published content creates a feedback loop that makes the entire system smarter over time. And you can see visually here how this whole thing becomes a self-improving engine. You've got the raw data coming in on the left, it moves through your prompt library and into that idea database. But look at the end, that feedback loop. That's the magic right there. The performance data from your live content automatically helps refine your future prompts, which means your ideas just get better and better and better. But here's the thing. When you have infinite ideas, you get a new problem. What do you work on first? You can't do everything, so you need a way to find the real gems. And you do that with a super simple scoring system. You just rate each idea on its potential business impact and how much effort it'll take to create. A quick calculation, and boom, it instantly shows you the high-impact, low-effort quick wins, so your team is always working on the stuff that actually matters. So as we start to wrap this up, it's pretty clear this isn't some pie-in-the-sky idea for the future. The tools are here, the frameworks work, and the advantage is right there for the taking for anyone who's willing to rethink how they do things. The future of content is right now. If you only remember one thing from all this, let it be this. AI is not here to replace your strategy or your creativity. It's here to rewire it. It puts speed, deep audience insight, and genuine authenticity right at the very center of everything you do. Think of it as a supercharger for your brain, not a replacement for it. You know, while a lot of people are still just talking about whether AI is going to take their jobs, you can be building these systems to make yourself 10 times more effective. The advantage is real, and it's here today. So, the only question left is, are you ready?